Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Let's tap on it. Right here we have to localize a special number which is called build number. So first of all, let's check the version. As you can see, the build number is right here, so all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So no worries, that's normal, simply enter it. After that, we can go back to the general list of the settings and open the system. Here, let's scroll and find developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So, for example, you can turn on the option to don't keep activities, so your device will destroy all of them. You can show view updates, you can change a transition animation scale, you can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher next to the specific option and your device will immediately apply it. You can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off and just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Tap on it to disable the developer options. You need to restart your device to actually change this setting, so just tap on restart and your device will be automatically part off and then part on again. I don't want to do it, so let me just come back. And after this operation, I mean the power off, the restart option, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.